Hey there, Slayers! Welcome to Slay Masters, the best place for beauty, community, and self-expression. My name is Elly, and today we're going to cover braiding 101. We're going to begin by learning the simple 3-strand braid. So a couple of things that you're going to want to make sure that you have handy before we begin is a hair tie to secure all of your braids, a tailed comb or brush for dividing and for smoothing throughout the hair, and then a braid aid. I'm personally going to be using the Velvet Gelatin by Redken. I love this product because even though it acts like a gel and it feels like a gel that gives you the control while you're working, the finish is super soft and natural and flexible. If you want something with a little bit more control and hold, then you're going to want to go for more of a stronger hold gel or a stronger hold cream while you're braiding the hair. Alright, so let's begin. So begin by smoothing out her ponytail with my brush, actually using a teasing comb because I like the tightness of the teeth. I'm going to use a small amount of my Velvet Gelatin because it helps to smooth any flyaways yet creates still a natural and soft finish to the hair. Three equal sections. Important that you get your sections as close to equal as possible so that you don't run out of one section before the braid is complete. You're going to begin your braid by taking either your left or your right section, whichever one you prefer, but the outermost section, and bringing it in. Then you're going to do the same thing. The outside section goes inside. So now you'll notice I'm taking this right side, going inside. Now I'm using my fingers to smooth this section. Now I'm going for my left side section, smoothing the section, bringing it to the center. And I'm going to repeat this process all the way through. My right outer side section, I'm going to bring it to the center. My left outer section, I'm going to bring it to the center. Using my fingers to smooth my sections as I go down the braid. Left side in, right side in, left side in, right side in. So there you have it, steps for the classic 3-strand braid. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, come back and join us for Braiding 101 Part 2, where we cover the steps for the classic Dutch braid, or better known as cornrows. Alright, make sure you join our community, sign up for our newsletter, and subscribe down below. Go slay today!